Trăng bạc jilau Conrad sang mal penbena ban ai alak tengka ya ka Samla Sanfida Nongrum kum ka jing I'm same namta ka jing kai bha jong ka ha ka AFC Women Asian Cup ka ba ban Thep shikur ha jing khon ka India Pyrshah ya ka Vietnam trăng bạc penbena ka ni baun ai alak tengka na ka Chief Minister Special Kran ya ka ni ka Samla kum si benta ban I'm same shup ka kan nang le bha nang ni shikman.
Hi everyone. I would like to take this opportunity to congratulate Sanfida Nongrum, who just recently scored a goal in Perth at the AFC Women's Asian Cup. I would like to take this opportunity to congratulate her and also to give a small financial assistance of 2 lakhs from the Chief Minister's special grant to show my sense of appreciation for her. I wish her and the entire team the very best. Thank you very much.